When you don't have money to start any side hustle, but you still want to earn money online, then affiliate marketing is the best option to start with. Because you just need to make some content, build a profile, promote someone else's product, and you can earn from it. And you can start it without any investment. But the main part is that investment here is not money, but your time and effort, which you will use to make content and build audience. Because be real, no one will click on your content if you don't have any audience to view it. And no one is born with 10k followers. You need to build it by making content consistently. So how can you do affiliate marketing from scratch without spending any money? First of all, before joining any affiliate program, you need to have a platform from where you will make content. It could be any platform, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, website, any platform. Now you need to pick a niche and start making content on your platform. Or you don't have any niche or you are confused what to pick, then pick any topic in which you are interested in and the market has demand for it. And if you are still confused, just start making content in any topic. And as you keep making and exploring different topics, you will find your interested niche. Now, when your niche is selected and you have made a decent amount of content on your platform, Instagram or YouTube, the process of finding product would be easier. If you have decided what to promote, then it's good. But if you are still confused what product to promote, just see your competitors, what type of product they are promoting. Learn from their content and you can easily pick that product to promote by yourself. And now when your base is set, you have your niche, platform, content, product, everything. Now the important part, how you will promote the product. Because you cannot promote any product randomly, how will the company know that you are the affiliate who bought that sales? So in order to track that sales, you need to join affiliate program. Now I'm going to show you some affiliate programs. Big affiliate network and marketplaces like Impact, ClickBank, PartnerStack, ShareSell, these connect you to hundreds of brands through one dashboard, but their requirements are high. You need to have some social media following before they can accept it. In India, not many people are using it because they are still not so popular yet. They don't have many products or programs which you want to promote. That's why they are not very beginner friendly to start with, because in it you would have very limited option to promote. But if you find your product or software which you want to promote on these affiliate marketplaces, then you can join it after you have some audience. Then there are some beginner-friendly platforms like Wishlink, Amazon Associate. Wishlink connects 250 plus partner brands like Myntra, Meesho, Nykaa, Ajio, and etc. It is the best fit for fashion, beauty, lifestyle niches. And it also have a requirement of 1,000 followers on Instagram. And the link system is also very simple in it. When you get accepted in this program, you can easily promote any link and you also get auto DM feature in it. When you make a reel, someone like it and they want it, you set comment link to get the link, the viewer comment link, and Wishlink will automatically send the link into their DMs. Then comes Amazon Associate. This is also like Flipkart and Myntra, but Amazon run its own affiliate network. They have their own criteria of selecting, like you need to get 3 sales within 180 days to get accepted in this program. I have already made a video on it, so you can check it out. This affiliate network was specific for fashion, beauty, lifestyle, home decor, and other product niches. If you want to promote software or AI tools like SaaS softwares, if you have a tech niche, then you can join this affiliate program. Then you can join the affiliate program by directly visiting the website of these softwares, fill the application form, and wait for the acceptance. Once you will get accepted by the software companies, you will get an affiliate link and you can start promoting it. Every affiliate network has some kind of requirements. I will explain it in the last part of the video. After you get selected in the program and get your affiliate link, now the main part is how you will distribute these affiliate link in your content. You have many options to provide links to your viewer and it change according to platforms. Like if you're using YouTube making videos and promoting product, then you can place your affiliate link into the description or pinned comment. If you're using Instagram, you can place a link into the bio, story, or you can use auto DM system through which people can comment on your reel and get the link directly into their DM using the app like Super Profile and other app. For Pinterest, you would need a website or a landing page where you can put your affiliate link. Because direct linking is not safe on Pinterest, your account can get suspended for it. I have a dedicated video for Pinterest affiliate marketing. So if you're planning to do it, you can check out that video. Now remember, if you don't have any following on your social media platforms, then you may not get selected in this affiliate program when you first apply on them. And it's completely normal. Don't get discouraged from it. Because many influencers and YouTubers just tell you that you can make a social media platform or create a website and just start promoting product and you can earn a commission from it. But to earn from affiliate marketing, the very first thing is to build an audience which will see your content and then buy. If you start with a brand new account and expect that you can start earning commission, then this is completely wrong information. You will not even get accepted to the majority of the programs. And if you will not get accepted, getting sales is a very far thing. That's why people just keep saying that online money is all scam. It does not work. People say these things because they were expecting results overnight, and that's not how things work. Before even thinking about sales and commission, your first work should be to build an audience. It does not require any upfront investment to start in affiliate marketing, but it do require some viewers and engagement on your social media account. So if you're starting from today and you want to do affiliate marketing, then just go pick your niche, select your platform, start making content, start building your profile. This will obviously take some time, but that's how affiliate marketing works. After you've collected 500 to 1000 followers, you will get easily accepted in the programs. And if you consistently make content, you will also start earning commissions from affiliate marketing like other people are doing. And if you want more honest breakdown on side hustles and business model, subscribe to the channel and like if you learned anything from this video. And if you want more clarity, you can check out these videos and I will see you guys in the next one.